Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error no valid sources are available for this video on your Google Chrome browser. Same process will be applied for all other browsers. We will see on in this Chrome. Open your Google Chrome browser, and the first workaround is update your Google Chrome browser. To update your Google Chrome browser, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and hover the cursor on help and choose about Google Chrome from the context menu. It will click on it. It will check for available updates for your Google Chrome browser. Wait till 100% completed and check whether your video playing error on your Google Chrome browser solved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter, click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy and security. Here under privacy and security, you will file delete browsing data. Click on it and go to advanced tab from the top menu bar. Time range should be all time and make the check against all those four options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Make the check against all these options and finally click on delete data. It will clear your browser caches, cookies and site data history. After that, check whether your Google Chrome playing video error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Same. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose extensions. Choose manage extensions and disable all the extension added to your Chrome browser. Temporarily disable it. All the extension added to your Chrome browser should be disabled. After that, close the windows and check whether your no resources found for playing this video error on your Google Chrome browser resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open Google Chrome browser and click on three vertical dot from top right corner and choose settings. Thereafter, click on three horizontal line from the top left corner and here choose reset settings. Click on it. Thereafter, choose restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions and other. Choose reset settings. This will reset your browser Chrome settings in your Windows 11 and 10 system. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to Windows settings, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps, click on it and click on installed apps from the right side and here look for the Chrome app, type Chrome in search field, result will appear. Click on three horizontal dot against Google Chrome browser, click on it and choose uninstall. Uninstall your Google Chrome browser and reinstall a fresh version of your Google Chrome browser from Microsoft Store. That's